YouTube search automation. Before we proceed any further, let's look at YouTube search automation in a bit more detail. Since this is a YouTube masterclass, we're going to discuss YouTube search automation to ensure you are fully aware of all the possibilities that exist on YouTube. It's important to think outside the box, and we'll share some YouTube channels as case studies to further illustrate the point. As we discussed in the previous chapter, how-to videos typically fall under the category of YouTube search automation videos. As you can see, we are searching for how to pronounce mayonnaise. On this channel, there are 3.7 million views on just how to pronounce mayonnaise. Just check out the rest of the videos and just look at the views. Everyone wants to improve their English, be it for their job, social gatherings, networking, or business. That is why so many people are searching for how to pronounce words, and these channels have so many views. It's phenomenal. It is such a simple idea which anyone used to start their own YouTube channel. You can just pick up a dictionary and make a video for every word. You will never run out of content ideas for your channel. This can also be easily outsourced on freelance networks such as Fiverr. All the videos that you make will fall under YouTube search automation. There is no need to show your face, and you can easily incorporate AI software to make the videos. More on this later when we discuss traditional YouTube automation. Let us look at another case study of YouTube search automation. How to draw a cat. Just look at the subscribers and views. You can see here the YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are showing the same content matter of how to draw a cat. As we discussed in the last chapter, we can use the same content in exactly the same niche and make content under all the three frameworks. That is, YouTube search, automation, traditional YouTube automation, or YouTube Shorts. Before we move on, let us quickly recap here. With regards to YouTube search automation, searchable videos are those videos that appear in search results when users enter specific keywords or phrases into the YouTube search bar. Like in the examples just shown, how to pronounce mayonnaise and how to draw a cat. In YouTube search automation, videos are typically short and precise, showing you how to solve a problem in just a few minutes. These videos tend to have a much higher click-through rate, average view duration, and overall watch time because people watch them to find solutions to their problems. When these three metrics are high, the chances of a video going viral increase significantly. Additionally, because this content remains relevant over longer periods, the passive income generated by such channels can last for years. Searchable topics like how to have a broad appeal across diverse demographics and audience, including students, professionals, business owners, hobbyists, and enthusiasts. This broad audience base ensures that creators have the potential to reach a large and diverse viewership with their content. Moreover, searchable videos like how to offer a wealth of endless content ideas due to their broad appeal. Therefore, there is no limitation to the number of content ideas that can be generated for such channels. These videos are relatively easier to rank as they are related to solving active issues that people are searching on YouTube. However, we should keep the following points in mind with regards to YouTube search automation. 1. Make high-quality content. Set the bar high so it is not easy for any competitor to copy you. 2. The videos should not be dragged too long unnecessarily. Keep it short and precise. 3. The videos should have proper SEO, which we will discuss later on when we reach the SEO part of this course. 4. YouTube search automation videos typically have titles, descriptions, and tags that contain relevant keywords related to the video's content, making it easier for users to find them through search queries. 5. Searchable videos rely on YouTube search algorithm to match user queries with relevant video content based on factors such as keyword relevance and metadata optimization.